to sell a used ATV. Agricultural work often involves a range of different activities that are miscellaneous in nature. Whether it's herding livestock, raking, transporting supplies, or monitoring what's happening around the farm, an all-terrain vehicle, also called an ATV, is a very handy piece of equipment to have on hand. When selling an ATV, it is advised that as much information is given as possible about the ATV being sold. Sellers must provide all the basic listing information relating to application, make, model, price, hours of operation, and year. When it comes to providing a detailed description of the unit, sellers should explain the reason for the sale of the ATV and provide information related to its past working life. Additionally, detail its current working condition with reference to the engine and its components, the lights and all the electronics, the steering mechanisms, the roll cage and condition of the interior, the hitching system and carriage if applicable, and finally, the general appearance and structural integrity of the ATV. Providing this information to your potential buyer will go a long way in assisting them to make an informed buying choice and an easier sales process for the seller. Sell your farm equipment, trucks, and machinery on agrimag.coza. Visit agrimag.coza, South Africa's leading digital farming and agricultural marketplace.